Hi guys, welcome back to Punch Kunj Creation. I'm Isa and in this video I'm gonna show a wall decor. So it's very easy and I hope you like it. So let's go to the video. The things you're gonna need are a round cardboard. You can take any measurement. 2 cardboards of size 17 cm and 7.5 cm. The measurement of this cardboard depends upon your circle. So I'm taking this, you're gonna need 2 pieces of it. Ribbon, a small piece of rope, hot glue, color papers, paint and paintbrush. So first I'm gonna paint the cardboard. Now I'm gonna wrap this both cardboard using color paper. Now we need to stick a ribbon on the edges of every cardboard. Now take a small piece of rope and stick it on the back of the cardboard. I have stuck the rope on the cardboard. Now I'm gonna stick these both cardboard on this cardboard. I have stuck the cardboard and that's all, my wall decor is ready.